Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my name is Usetale. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm here to quickly let you all know that registration for all our online sewing classes for the month of March is in progress. So recently we introduced a new class, which is the elastic waist trouser class. In this class you're going to be learning how to sew a free palazzo trouser with elastic waistband, drawstrings and side pocket. You're also going to be learning how to sew a free short pant with elastic waistband and side pocket. So this class is very important for those who want to learn how to sew a free palazzo trouser for themselves, because we are going to be sharing with you how to go about it step by step, from measurement taking to the cutting of fabric and the whole sewing process. Another good thing is that during the sewing process we are going to be sharing with you the step-by-step method on how we are joining the pieces together. We are not just going to be saying take it to your sewing machine to join just like we do here on YouTube. We are going to be showing you how we are joining the pieces together, so that if you are someone who is not really into sewing, or you are still trying to get used to sewing, you'll be able to follow it step by step, because you'll be seeing exactly what we are doing and how we are sewing it on the sewing machine. We also have other classes available. We have the total beginners class, we have the cupped corset class, and we have the trouser master class. The total beginners class is for those who are new into sewing. You're going to be learning how to sew as a beginner. You'll be learning how to sew the simple and easy wears like a pencil long skirt, a short skirt, a dress, and a blouse. So everything you need to know as a beginner who is new into sewing will be taught in that class. Then the cupped corset class is for those who are new into corset making. We are going to be showing you how to sew a simple corset top using bra cups. We'll be sharing with you how to perfectly select the right bra cup that will fit you as a person. We'll also share with you how to take body measurement for the sewing of corset, how to draft the pattern, and the whole sewing process as well. In our trouser master class, you're going to be learning how to sew 3 different types of trouser: the corporate trouser, the palazzo trouser, and a short pant. All these trousers are going to have normal waistband. Okay, if you're interested in any of our classes, all you need to do is to send us a WhatsApp message, and all other informations like the course outline for the classes and how to go about the class registration will be sent to you. So hurry up, send us a message. All classes will commence 20th of this month, and we will see you in class. Bye.